Changing your verification method on PayPal can help enhance your account security and improve your transaction experience. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear icon. Click on it to enter your account settings. Step 3. Select security options. In the account settings menu, find and click on the security tab. This section contains all options related to your account security and verification methods. Step 4. Choose verification method. Look for the section labeled two-step verification or security keys. Here, you can see your current verification methods and select the option to change or add a new method. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your verification method. This may include entering a new phone number, setting up an authentication app, or confirming changes via email. After completing these steps, your verification method will be updated. Make sure to test the new method to ensure it works correctly for future transactions.